Let's unbox the main concept Mega Brazilian human hair bulk braid. This is the 18-inch braid in the color 1. This is what the packaging looks like, and we're going to go ahead and open it. The Mega Brazilian StyleMix is 100% human hair blended with synthetic texture. The result is the look of 100% human hair, along with the styling manageability of high-tech fibers. The Mega Brazilian water bulk comes in a tight water wave curl pattern that can be used for different styles, such as boho braids and boho locs. It can also be used for micro-interlocking, fusion, and more. You can see the curl pattern here. This braid also comes pre-stretched and feathered, so it's quicker and easier to install. It's lightweight and easy to manage and style. If you live in Australia, you can shop this and more bulk braids at my store, thebraidbesties.com.au. Thank you for watching.